much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. How you look so precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
So today, me and my family are going to IKEA. Exciting, I know. But they're late, as usual. Supposed to be here at 9:30. It's 9:35, so what the freak? I could have been asleep, but it's okay. I'm going to the rec room to make me some tea because I'm sick. Okay, let me out. Thank you. Yeah. My throat burn. I think I'm getting over the cold, but my throat still hurts when I talk, so it's fine. It's totally fine. So welcome to my rec room. They have hot water and coffee for the free, you know what I'm saying? Why are these already open? Okay, let's try this one. Anyways, they made some tea. It's black tea with honey and lemon juice, because I heard that's supposed to be good for you. Who knows? I just want my throat to stop hurting, honestly. I'm a barista. Check me out. Hey. Oh.
Why my hands look so ugly? Okay, that was hot and definitely not enough sugar. So we're going back. I just burnt the freak out my tongue. It's okay. It's not that bad. Why does this thing so ugly? Are we black?
Huh?
Why you shouldn't shop at round two? Why you shouldn't sell around two? How to finesse round two?
Merchandise. How to finesse round
These are
two
angry.
into giving you more money than they plan. How round two gets away with selling fakes. Why is the South Beach store not making any money?
Yellow card.
I had about 8 people though. I had about 8 people be like, yo, round two burns it up.
At me. So I know it's real.
But like 8 people.
And my Twitter name, so I know it's real.
Why?
Urging me, it be urging me.
Got it. Why you look so angry?
I decided to go up like major.
Those guys are right. The streets! And I ain't never punched a clock. 9 years old, I see them niggas get shot. Oh my gosh.
That you break your neck for.
And the same one that crack you out and wake you up. Nothing in it. Whoa, hey! So you got that
motherfucking
bass jumping. Mom, did you like that song?
Because ain't nothing in this world free. And then said preach like it's a sermon.
Preach.
Like
I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nothing but my
rubber bands about it.
trust Jesus.
What are you wearing?
Oh, girl, no.
Walmart. Where's your shirt
This ain't
from?
no Walmart shit.
Where's your shirt from?
Marshalls.
Where's your pants from?
I've had these pants for so long.
They're cute. They're cute. And the shoes?
I got these shoes from Walmart.
You're not helpful. Okay, outfit of the day. Who are you wearing?
I do this boy vintage tee.
Okay.
This was free.
Okay.
Round two, clear panel
Let's
back
do that.
jacket.
Boom. Okay,
100.
pants.
H&M. No. Yes, H&M.
And the shoes?
$30. All-Star Jordan 1s, $140.
Okay.
Beanie, $5.
Okay. Necklace?
Necklace,
That's okay.
$50.
We don't really do accessories. So total outfit?
$50.
200.
1,
Maybe?
240, 3, free,
Which isn't
310.
bad. Do a twirl.
310.
All right. Woo. It's lifting. It's okay. We're about to fix it. The wig is secure. We're ready to go.
Meatballs, I heard, are the bomb. You can just eat here. Or do you want to get like a little snack here and then we go somewhere and eat later?
Yo, my ankles are mad ashy. What, bro?
Y'all don't want food?
Loins.
So, first time at IKEA. How you feel so far?
Kind of confused, but you know, trying to figure out how to order food.
Okay.
But
Salmon.
cool, it's a great experience.
Salmon balls.
Great, that's great.
I'm enjoying my
Is
experience.
that what it says?
Salmon balls.
It's not even shaped like a ball.
Okay.
All right,
Why would it say that?
Because it came from the balls.
No, it doesn't. There's no
okay,
balls.
all right. I was confused. Can I do the Swedish meatballs? That sounded like good though.
Doesn't it?
That's what I'm about to get this done.
No, I'm gonna do the Swedish meatballs. What's this right here? What's that?
That's the broccoli, potato, and cheese medallion.
Oh, you put one of them on there.
Comes with the salmon.
Oh, it come with the salmon.
Do you want 8 or 12 meatballs?
What's the different price?
$5.99 for 8, $6.99 for
12. Okay.
He gets appetizers and drinks. He's got money. First IKEA meatball. Let's do it.
Meatballs comes up.
Delish. I thought it was boosting. IKEA meatballs is actually good. Vegetables? Taste like water. That's kind.
Oh, nice. You know,
That's how you know they're healthy.
you just boil it bad.
What's that? Pineapple sauce, I think. You tell me what it tastes like and it was hot. It's like lemon butter.
Trying to mashed
My
potatoes.
vegetable. Oh, it might be good on the vegetable.
Pretty good. Okay.
I can't reach it.
Go ahead and put that in the middle, girl. Everybody vegetables taste
I
like
definitely
water.
don't have enough points for all this sauce.
You don't. You're right.
Watch that weight, sis. Works.
Oh, that's horrid.
You don't like
Oh
it?
my god.
That's yuck. Just got yuck.
Soap.
Just got yuck. Just nasty.
Oh no, you can have this back.
No, I don't like somebody.
These besties for the resties.
You don't want no smoke.
You're right. I don't want any smoke. You
have
can keep
any
all your smoke.
Do you know what smoke is? Yes. What is it?
It's like you don't want to get shot.
Bow, bow, bow. All that smoke
I
coming to
know a
you.
little something. I was thinking a little bit of,
A little slang here and there. A little
not
ebonics.
fluent. Well, you know, I can understand it.
I understand it, but I can't speak it.
Your IKEA meatball.
It's the food is actually good, except for the watery
Veggies. That's where vegetables supposed to be.
No, it's not. What is that thing?
It's like a broccoli cheddar something. Is
Is it good or is it nasty?
No black means no pepper. No white means no salt.
You can't see salt.
You can see salt.
If you get big salt rocks. Maybe this water will bring my voice back. Let's try. My voice is gone because I sang chants all the way here. And that's kind of strenuous. Is your mac and cheese good?
Chris Daddy do it that I don't know.
That's a good song. Is that mac and cheese good? Can I have some? Okay.
You can go get some more.
Sad. I think when I had a cancer and they couldn't give me no drink though. I think that was after I had a car accident, so they thought I was in a coma.
You have absolutely no voice.
I know.
This was really good.
If you had a CT scan, is that the same thing as a CAT scan? That's fun.
Oh, were you going a little thing? I
They
hate
get iodine. They get iodine solution.
They didn't give me that.
They might have ran through your IV.
They might have, but I went in as soon as I got in the hospital.
They want to make
But
sure
I
it's
hate
no-
that thing because you have to lay there real still and I feel claustrophobic.
But look, so I was in there, right? But you know, it was 2 o'clock in the morning and I was tired and I just got out of practice. So I'm like falling asleep. And they was like, ma'am, wake up. I'm just like, I'm sorry.
You fell asleep in the gas station?
Yeah, I didn't even know I was in there until I woke up. I was in this tube and then the lady yelled at me. I was just like, I'm sorry.
It didn't go out, but the back windows go out.
Glass all in here.
It was on me. I was glass coming out my weave when I washed my hair later.
I got her dressed. I mean, it was glass all
Bro,
in
my
the
arm was white completely. So rude. They asked me one question. It was like, so prom night, huh? You guys are getting pretty lit? I was like, no, we were sleeping.
Get it together.
No. Nurses was talking about their prom while I'm in the bed just laying there. Chatting it up about how their prom was so great. I'm like, oh yeah, well, I got in a car accident on my prom, so can't relate.
They said no
If he want to
kids,
get on the
gotta
bunk
go.
bed, let him be on the bunk bed.
It's about being heavy.
Kids to do it.
Just stop. Just quit.
I can't believe I lost my voice.
I can't believe it.
Because
Why can't you talk so much? I don't understand why you can't believe it. Hello.
okay, my shirt thrifted $4, pants Girl Wang $4.50, shoes gifted Adidas thrifted $15. Boom. It's gonna climb on it. He can't fit. You want to climb on it?
They put plastic right there so you can't climb in it.
That happened on the other one too. You disregarded it. It's not a new idea that they had.
Do you want this or something for your house?
Oh, please be careful. Please
Gonna do it.
no kind of
He's
way.
gonna do it.
Stop. Oh, don't understand how brittle his bones are at this point.
Well, get
You don't
in
really
it.
break your
I
bones.
wanna
Take a
get
long
in it.
time to heal when you're that old.
But he's a kid though.
We're talking about a 40-year-old. You see right here?
It's okay. That's what they're made for.
Not much different.
It's not. See?
I'm
She
Everybody's like,
understands.
if you think there's going to be different, there's not.
It's not. She understands. I like her.
This would be light.
Pour your coffee, girl.
Oh, hold on.
Oh,
No, that's him.
I don't drink like that. I don't have any other
I'll be over here reading my Bible. And he'll be over here drunk.
I don't have any alcohol in my house.
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Stop.
All right, we're going to the elevator.
I go to the elevator?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a way. Sorry.
Stop that.
Let the people go by.
Maybe you should lift it.
Yeah, maybe you should carry it. Got him.
He said there's
I could have made it. I would have made it.
You're annoying.
I would have made it. All you gotta do is do like this.
No, bro.
And just go down. I guess.
You've been reprimanded.
He's back. He looking back. He want to see. Is he still gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
No, you're not.
oh, look at all the cards.
Oh, okay.
He was like, I just don't want to lose my card. It's really important that we keep the card.
We're getting Cinnabon.
Do you want to split one?
Yeah, I don't want that whole thing.
Okay, good.
We went to Polo, then realized we weren't basic enough to shop there. Right, Dad?
We have to.
Dad, are you okay?
Oh, look over here. Hand the camera. They're in the holiday. Y'all here spending money. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
You might want to put my money. That's on free.
Never get it right. Air is not good. I could never get out on the bus one day and think about it.
Good. Pinky out.
Who's these potato fries?
Ew.
That sweet potato fries got a lot of points.
I don't care about
Bro. Yeah, well.
Just saying.
Bro, my voice is completely gone.
Okay,
But I like sweet potato fries. Oh, man.
It's no kind of stream.
You can do your outfit now.
I can't stand up.
Oh,
They won't see my shoes.
Go ahead, get out there.
She look cute, though.
I'm stupid.
Them dimples.
Are you
Them dimples.
Ah. Yeah.
She cute.
so today she's wearing a cheap denim jacket, a thrifted blouse, retro vintage jeans, and Camilo ones.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Where are your earrings from?
Out, Target girl.
In 24 hours, I need more hours with you. That's 10 the weekend. the day I can get things right between us. Now it's all good, babe.
Roll that backward, babe.
Let me know. Cause guys like you, around guys like me. So now when I come through, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, girls like you.